Hello, my name is Gabriel. On this channel I'm helping with ascension. In this video I want to teach you how to have the planet heal, how to fix the ozone hole that the planet has, how you can bring peace between Russia and Ukraine, and how to use your attention and your intention for healing. The best example that I can give you is the following. My back was hurting very badly and I started to chant Ho'oponopono and to focus on my back. And after 2 minutes the pain wasn't so bad anymore. The question is why? You have to know that God did not do a mistake by creating pain. Pain is just the place that needs attention to fix the electromagnetic energy field that is broken. So pain is nothing else than broken electric fields. So now if you see that the planet, where we have the ozone hole, there the electromagnetic energy of the planet is broken. If we if many people focus onto the ozone hole, we will send their energy, because wherever your thought goes, wherever your intention, wherever your focus goes, energy flows. It's very good to focus on a place. This is how Reiki works. So Reiki is nothing else than focusing on the place of hurt, and with our intention, because you have to know that our attention creates the spiral energy. So that's why Reiki works. That's why when I was praying or doing Ho'oponopono over my back, the pain went away. Why? Because I fixed the broken electromagnetic energy on my back. So wherever you focus, you fix the electromagnetic energy of that place, like the ozone hole, or your back, or when your knee hurts, you pray over your knee and then your pain will be reduced. And if you imagine now where Russia is and where Ukraine is, and you hold up 2 mental points, and you can imagine a third point as well in the center of Europe. So imagine 3 points of light, one in Russia, one in Ukraine, and one in the center of Europe. And now, if you focus on these 3 lines and hold up your attention, actually when you put your attention onto these 3 points, you will build up an electromagnetic line between these countries. And you have to know the following. So scientists observed that where the electromagnetic energy between 2 tribes is broken up, there is war. And where the electromagnetic energy between 2 tribes are touching and reaching each other, there is peace. So when we focus onto Russia, Ukraine, and the center of Europe, and we go with our imagination on these 3 points, which one should be in Russia, one in Ukraine, one in the center of Europe, we will hold up the electromagnetic line between these countries, so that the emotions of people can travel between these countries. by sorting out our emotions, by sorting out our conflicts, our misunderstandings, yeah, we will bring peace to the planet and to the countries, to the people, or wherever we are focusing on. Yeah, you need to be peaceful in the inside. When you're peaceful in the inside, wherever you focus, yeah, there will be peace. Your intention gives the energy, the taste of your focus. So if you inside are peaceful, wherever you send your energy, there will be a peaceful energy. Yeah. So this is how we can fix the ozone hole. This is how you can fix your pain if your body hurts, and this is how you can bring peace between countries with meditation, by practicing focusing on these places, by praying over them. We can influence the outcome of what's gonna happen in the future. I wish you all the best, good luck, and take care.